These are the elevators at the Residence Inn by Marriott at SeaWorld, Orlando, Florida. They're Otis's. Let's go to 6. Otis Series 1. Let's go to 1. Rear fixtures. Notice how the 5 button is flush, but all the other ones stick out. The door open is like half pushed in. These were installed in 2002. It's a QR code. I guess that has the certificate? I don't know. But there's a certificate down here. Residence Inn floor mat. Let's ride the other one. Here's a map. This is the West Bank. There's another bank on the other side of the hotel. Because this is a pretty big property. In fact, so big that, as you can see over here, the room numbers are 4 digits. Let's go to 6. Oh, interesting. This is older Series 1 here. Here we are up at 6. Let's go 1. So door open, door close, and 2 and 4, those buttons are flush and the rest stick out. We're stopping at 5. We're just gonna get off here actually. Or on second thought, we're not, because no one's here. I was gonna say we were gonna walk over to the other bank elevators, but let's do that later. So, same cab. Also, I didn't show you, but you might have noticed there was a newer vandal resistant call button on one. It's like that on every floor. At least that I'm aware of anyway. Alright, we're gonna go to the other set of elevators. Since we're passing through it, here's a quick look at the lobby. On to the other bank. Here we are at the other set of elevators, but before we ride them, here's a quick look at the courtyard. There's a pool out there. And also, on second thought, I actually don't know why this hotel's room numbers are 4 digits, because the top number is 64, so they could easily have made that room 164 instead of 1064. Maybe there was going to be an expansion, but it got canceled or something. Also, there's a service. at 6. Also, as I was saying, there's according to this, there's a service elevator right there. And it's probably somewhere back here. But as you can see, you need a key card to get in. So we can't ride it. Anyway, back to the elevators. That made a loud noise. Let's go to 1. 2 is the only floor that has a different braille. Wonder why. Well, that bounced. Wow, a screw just fell out. I have no idea where that went. I'm just gonna drop it back in there. That's not a good sign. QR code on this one too. I think all of them have their own QR code. So, again, the service elevator is probably that way. This one lights up red. So this looks like a Series 5 button, potentially. Let's go to 6. This time 6 is the one that's flush and alarm. This one's low on oil. Let's go back to 1. We're gonna end it down there. There's your inspection certificate and your phone. Making some strange noises. Oh look, both of them are here. There they go. And that'll be it.